His Excellency Mr. Qiang, Premier of People's Republic of China, Honorable Mr. Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and ni hao. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister of China for his insightful and inspiring words. Your presence here today, along with this landmark achievement, the completion of the new Gwadar International Airport, underscores the strength of our friendship and the far-reaching impact of the China-Pakistan economic corridor. This state-of-the-art airport is not only a symbol of our nation's shared vision, but a gateway to new opportunities for economic growth and regional connectivity, particularly for the people of Gwadar and Balochistan.
这座先进的机场不仅是中巴两国共同愿景的象征，也是通往经济增长和地区连通新机遇的门户。对贝路支斯坦和瓜达的人民来说尤其如此。
With that, it is now my distinct honor to invite Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, for his remarks.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।